The Rockville CCL6T Speaker Bundle is an exceptional audio solution for commercial spaces, offering a powerful 60-watt output that is ideal for restaurants, offices, and schools. With seamless Bluetooth connectivity, the Rockville RCS80-1 amplifier allows music streaming various options such as USB, SD, or FM radio, making it versatile for any environment. The speakers come with customizable sound options, offering 10-watt, 5-watt, or 2.5-watt taps, which can be tailored to suit different spaces like dining areas or lobbies. Rockville has designed the CCL6T speakers with paintable grills, ensuring they blend aesthetically into any setting, which is perfect for maintaining a venue's interior design. The installation process is straightforward, making it easy for do-it-yourself setups in bars, cafés, or conference rooms, while supporting long speaker runs without signal loss. Overall, this speaker bundle from Rockville provides a robust and adaptable sound system that enhances the auditory experience across various commercial applications.